Hey guys, we're out here in the jungles of Borneo. We're looking out for some chimpanzees we've released here about 6 months ago. Looking for Bongo. We're looking for Ching Li, and we're looking for Frederick. They're all rehabilitated chimpanzees that live here in this jungle. Oi oi! Oi oi! Hear that? I can just hear him, he's rustling. They're coming through the trees. They're coming through. Did you see that? Oi oi! Bongo! Bongo, come here, chippy chippy! Come on, boy! Oi! Raised him from a little baby. He's a great one.
This is the line to
We're gonna
the
get in there someday.
Native Americans. No.
Dude, but that's like prime real estate for a picnic.
Yeah, no. Imagine how many, like, in the summertime at least, how many scorpions will just, like, fall on your head.
What? Scorpions don't live in trees.
Yes, they do. They live in palm trees.
Oh.
That's why you can't climb palm trees in Arizona. Because scorpions live in the little, like, niches.
I had no idea.
It's scary, dude.
Scat.
Scat.
First, what you gotta do, so you gotta grind it up a little bit. Gotta get 2 sticks. Pick it up like so. And this is very fibrous, so I'm thinking this is probably a carnivorous piece of scat. You can see here there's tufts of fur. So this little buddy, he's eaten a rabbit or something of the sort. He's eaten something very fluffy. I'm not going to sniff it because I know that it's full of rotten meat. But yeah, you can pretty much see there that that's a carnivorous piece of scat. So Bongo and Ching Li better watch out. That's what I'm saying. On the other side of the coin here, this is a herbivorous type of scat. It's got lots of nuts and berries, and it's pretty much straight nuts. So I'm thinking this is probably some hoish squirrels around here. It's here. This is the scat of somebody who's eaten one too many beefy 5-layer burritos from Taco Bell. Yeah, don't want to go into more detail about that one.
You shitting in my backyard?
Or, I don't know. Let's just
Bye, Bongo!
delicious.
For delicious, listen to us. I feel sad, I feel pain when you call me that name. I'm a person just like you. For delicious, listen to us. To be a bully, bully.
If you're hanging around with the dicks,
the dickety dicks.
if a guy's being
Go
a
up
pussy,
and say, hey, where we going for lunch?
what you doing? Hanging with us. For delicious.
Listen to us. It'll be okay. Do-do-do-do, and just dance, spin that record, babe. Do-do-do. Prepping for the Super Bowl, I see.
Super Bowl.
Super Bowl. Honestly, when a boy is so sophisticated, like,
That's really good.
I'm having a problem because I
It's
forgot to put on sunscreen.
so bright. Oh.
I will
well-
burn. I can feel myself burning right now.
I don't have that problem.
That's good. I do.
Yeah, I'm very sorry about that. One time I fell asleep in the sun and I got a sunburn.
Wow.
Oh, Chris.
Dude, I feel like I gotta wash myself.
I feel like I gotta take a bath now, dude. I was just like cringing so hard, dude.
Cringe level
Hold on.
awkward, dude. I feel like I was like cringe level 12, dude. I gotta take a bath after that, dude.
Something.
Look how cute. Conservationist project.
We are plant sproutlings about every spring, summer.
This is a prickly pear.
A prickly pear, as they
Let's
say.
Dude, you were so close to that girl. Touch her pussy. Dude, grab her by the pussy. Just kidding. Pussy's grabbed back. Pussy's grabbed back now. That's what I heard. That's what I heard lately.
For so long.
Relationship.
Yeah, like it's a give and take, my dude.
Relationship.
Is it maybe relationship?
Natural fiber, natural calcium, and what's it? Protein. And yeah, basically what you do is you just, grab it off the bush, make sure there's no bugs, pop it in. It's really good. It takes some, the texture's a little bit, it takes some getting used to, but all gone. But it is really good for you. What is it attached to?
The ground.
I am.
Oh my god! It's just so freaking hot.
The incline
The incline.
is like the least steep incline ever. My bun is melting.
It's like 75 degrees out. And we're like, it's so hot.
I want
This
someone who's
incline.
close to stop and pop in.
Yeah.
Side. Where's the sidewalk? Dude, get out of the road. Hey. No, it's not your time. As I walk
Valley of the shadow of death.
of death.
Can I even, what is it? Like, can I even stop to wonder or hold my breath? That's like a Bible verse, right?
That part's not in it.
It's like a song.
Shadow of death.
And then he like stops in the middle of the song, goes, as I walk, oh God, through the valley, the shadow of death, can I even stop to wonder, catch my breath, because the one above me is so strong and pure, and here I am, not. And then they start singing again.
Not.
Just like you're low-key a fake fan of Jesus.
That's my favorite verse because in Titanic.
When you're a low-key fake fan of Jesus is your favorite Bible verse.
I know. It's my favorite verse because in Titanic, when everyone's falling down, you see like the priest holding on to all the people, and he's saying that verse, and it's always so sad and dramatic.
Ugh.
And I just,
He's just shouting over him, dude, it really sucks when you're like low-key a fake fan of Jesus.
No, finish it off with some sweet onions. That sounds delicious. Ground onions.
Echoed really loud.
That's a really good way to reel in your audience.
Thank you. Memes to recount, yeah, look back on, re-encounter, you know.
I think I'll write a comment about it. Just kidding, I know nothing.
It's just gonna be you.
Yeah, I'm the only one who comments.
That's okay. Saturday, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. What time is it?
3:14.
I can't believe we did that.
Why is this always happening to me? Dude, get it out of my face. It's fine.
It's fine. Ew. Got that from...
I leaned on a curling iron.
Okay, so we have $9 to spend at Subway.
We'll be fine.
Can we do that?
Yeah. Can I get also a 6-inch on white bread with turkey?
So cold. Brain freeze. Oh my god.
Yeah, I got a brain freeze.
Our goal was to go to the bank so she could withdraw money. And the bank was closed. It closed at 1 and we got there at 3. We walked all that way for nothing. And we got good. Sorry, I just realized it was like 2:20. We got. She dropped my phone. She like pushed it out of my hand. She's upset. It was like a sacred comedy emotional, and that sucks.
That's just the life of a vlogger, man. You're sacrificing your gadgets every time you take them out. You gotta have a insurance plan. You gotta have backup iPhones, dude. Backup iPhones.
You gotta just be able to walk into the store and buy a new camera.
Every time you break it, I'm looking at you, Taylor R. Oh, that was gonna be a really good burp. It turned into like a gurgle thing.
We got my grandma to pick us up, so we don't have to walk back.
Scammed her. Dude, I dare you to eat this cucumber rind.
Did something happen to it?
No.
Oh. Did something happen to it?
No.
Oh.
I wouldn't do either.
I don't trust like that. Open that button. Me.
Stoop boys.
Now, because Poussaz. Poussoirs. Guess which one's the ginger? Surprise, it's the one that has the darker skin.
Also, you can tell who slathers their arm with lotion and wipes their arm hairs to go the same direction.
My arm hairs have never been able to do that. My arm hair and my leg hairs always widen.
Like, you can like tug it. I love my arm hair though. They do, but I feel like they also don't.
We're waiting for my grandma to come pick us up. Because we can't walk back home.
Dude, let's go to Petco while we wait.
White Town World.
Get him a huge tank, please. At least
blue.
20 gallons.
Oh no, this one looks like Dumbledore.
Oh! Two.
And it's got stuck in the filter and its eye ripped off.
Ew!
And then he died.
That's really sad.
Yeah, it is.
Little boys.
Lydia! There's a dead fish.
All I wanna do is smoke that broccoli. The body, bitch, get off of me.
Are you in?
Yeah.
Okay.